Well, we have the verdict coming in from the Supreme Court. They've upheld their earlier verdict on the Delhi stray dogs case. The top court refused to stay its direction to pick up the stray dogs from streets, but said that dogs after sterilization can be released in the same locality. Our reporter on the ground, Bhavtosh, is here with more details on this. Over to you.
Yes, that was the main demand of dog lovers. What it has said is that dogs who are infected with rabies or who are afflicted with rabies, only those dogs would be kept in shelter home. All those dogs or stray dogs who are in fact not infected with them, they will be sterilized and then released in the same locality. So it's not that they will be sterilized and in fact thrown in some outskirts of Delhi or NCR. Importantly, there would be a national policy formulated as far as dogs are concerned, so it's not limited only for Delhi and NCR. That is also an important point. Why limit only to Delhi and NCR? Why one should not also include Mumbai, or for that matter, Lucknow or Guwahati, because these incidents have been reported from everywhere. Importantly, it has said that dogs who have been picked up would not be kept forever in shelter home. Remember, this order that was passed earlier on 11th of August by Justice Pardiwala was in fact created a lot of consternation and contention among civil society. So.
All right, thank you so much for getting us all those details. But with this, viewers, we are completely timed out in this edition of First Rate. It's a goodbye from me and Snehi and the entire team. Thank you so much for tuning in.